I am so excited because my package from Darn Good Yarn came. If you guys never heard of this yarn, it is yarn for a good cause. The money goes to help provide valuable employment to people around the world, and they use recyclable materials like saris that would otherwise go to landfills. So I'm excited about this yarn. They sent me worsted weight roving silk yarn. I wanted 2 of these. I've got some good projects that I want to make out of them. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in another video. And then also this Renaissance Bloom cotton blend yarn. I just have some fun ideas, and I hope that you guys are interested in knowing what I'm going to do with a sustainable yarn. So Darn Good Yarn, together with its customers, they're able to support sustainable and fair wages all around the globe, and then they save like 1 million pounds of material from landfills. So this is really exciting, and something that I'm passionate about is, another thing about this yarn is, hey, I chose some boring colors. I chose some neutral, some ivory, this is dandelion poof, but listen, look at these colors. They have some beautiful colors. I mean, it's made out of recycled sari, and they also dye. I mean, yarn is very colorful, so I picked the boring color. But if you're into color, look at all that. And something else that's fun is that they have a yarn of the month box, bead of the month box, fabric, and then a mystery skirt, because they also sell like sari wraps, some wrap skirts. So you can get a subscription box, and that could be really fun. I'm really interested in getting one of those boxes for yarn projects. Okay, this cotton blend yarn, it's Renaissance Bloom, it's bone ivory. It uses, this is the crochet hooks that it recommends, like a K through M, and knitting needles. It's a weight 5 bulky, and so I have some good home decor project ideas I'm going to think about using for this. This comes in other colors, of course. This is just what I chose. And then this worsted weight. So it's worsted, of course, and it's roving silk yarn. The color is dandelion poof. We did 4. Here's your knitting needles you can use, or for crochet, use I through K. I usually use J. That's my favorite. But the feel of it is just so, it's just lovely. And I had read some reviews about this yarn, that it smells, but it does not smell. It smells just fine. There's nothing about it. So don't let those reviews throw you. So stay tuned as I make something really fun using this yarn from Darn Good Yarns. And I want to thank you so much to them for them sending this to me so I can show you guys a fun project to work on. And before I forget, Darn Good Yarn is offering my customers, my followers, 15% off using the code Juniper and Oaks 15. And I will put a link that you can use. And also, full disclosure, it will be an affiliate link, so I will earn a bit of an income based on those sales. But I'm helping you out with 15% off, and you can help me out if you choose to. It doesn't cost you any extra. Happy crafting!